So now we want to look at tools, and with tools, so right now I don't have a lot of stuff within my tools, and again this is going to be related to different plugins. So if I've got some plugins that are tools, they're going to add additional tools that are going to be available for me. So by default, these are the available tools that I have. And what they have here by default is press this. So this is, sometimes a lot of people don't really use this tool, but it's there if you do want to use it, and allows you to create posts from content on the web, and it'll add a bar in your bookmarks area, so you can simply press and add in content. So it's another way that WordPress helps you quickly add in content. So we had looked at the ability to send emails and add posts in that way as well. There's also categories and tags converter, so we can convert to categories and tags. So also within tools, this is another important one for backup here. So we've got the ability to import WordPress content and as well as export files. So this is another way to backup. So besides this automated backup, we have the ability to import and export content into and out of WordPress. So if we want to actually import an RSS feed, we're able to do that directly in the import here. So all we have to do is set that up and give it a second to load up, and we can actually import. It's an RSS importer, so it's not installed by default, but it allows us to import posts from an RSS feed. So what that means is that if you've got an RSS feed somewhere, that maybe if you have another site and you've got an RSS feed, you want all of those posts to automatically come into WordPress, you can really easily do it that way. Tumblr, same thing. So whenever you're posting to your Tumblr account, you might want to pull it into your WordPress, and that's the way that you can do that, where you could pull in any one of these feeds and automatically post to your site. So exporting, different than importing, because exporting, you have that option to export out your content. And this is another thing that you can use for backing up, so you can export out all of your content, or you could be more selective and do posts, pages, contact forms, media, and so on. So back it up and download it, and this gives you the ability to do that. And that's by default within the tools section.